Hey, fourth grade. Alrighty, Unit 4, Week 2, Phonics and Spelling this week for Encantado, Pink Dolphin of the Amazon. All right, so this week we're going to be looking at the Latin roots aqua and dict. So your spelling words this week are aquanaut, aquacrops, aquaplane, aquarium, aquatic, and aquamarine. Predict, dictate, dictator, and dictionary. I know some of these words over here seem a little silly, but I promise they're real words. All right, so aqua, the Latin root aqua means water. So let's look at some of these sentences. The aquanaut is someone who travels down into the blank to explore. Now, we might not know what the word aquanaut means right off the bat, but because we know what the word aqua means, we can take a pretty good guess at where aquanauts explore. So what word do you think we could fill in the blank with right here? Yeah, exactly. Aqua means water, so it just would make sense that an aquanaut is someone who travels down into the water to explore. Great job. All right, people grow aqua crops in, what do you think? Aqua crops might not be one of those words that we're really familiar with, but because we know what aqua means, we can guess that aqua crops grow in the water. Very good. And then we've got an aquaplane is a board pulled by a boat across the, what do we think, guys? Yeah, the water. Very good. So you can already see that even these words that seem silly, that seem like they might even be a little bit made up, because we know what that Latin root word means, we can figure out what some of these unknown words mean because we know what that Latin root is. Okay, so Latin roots might seem like something we don't need to study, but in fact, a lot of our words are built off of these Latin roots, so it's really important to know what they mean. All righty, and then we've got the Latin root dict, which means to tell. So to predict is to blank what will happen in the future. So we can look at that word and we can actually break it up into two parts. We can look at the prefix pre, which means what? Yes, pre means before, and we now know, because we just learned it, that the Latin root dict means to tell. So this means to tell before. So tell before it happens, which means we are telling what's going to happen in the future. All right, and then it says, when teachers dictate spelling words, they blank students the words to write. So if I am giving you a spelling test aloud, it's not a bubble spelling test or anything like that, but if I am giving you a spelling test out loud, I am dictating the words to you, which means I am, very good, telling you the words to write down. Very good. All right, guys, hopefully talking about what these two Latin roots mean will not only help you remember your spelling words, but will also help you with unknown words in the future. All right, fourth grade, have a wonderful day. As always, please make sure you are always checking your folders for any assignments so that you do not get behind, because I promise you it is not worth it to have missing assignments. All right, guys, have a wonderful day.